Yeah, hi, this is Dennis here from Golden. I'm just going through some of my old stuff and come up with another interesting little hunt that I had around an old church a couple of years ago. It's probably about, I suppose, probably about 3 or 4 years ago.
Well, here we are, another afternoon where I may have a bit of spare time. I'm going to have a look at this old church across the road here and have a bit of a gander around that and just see if I can come up with anything before I go home. Alright, all the best. Come up with a bit of a sound here. Bit scratchy. The first time across it was a lot clearer sound than that though. There it is. It's a bit of another sound here, not very far from the other one. There, the other one was just there where I found the sixpence. Have a look here and see what we come up with. It's interesting. I'd like to show you the sound in this one, so we'll just see what we come up with. What we're going to come up with. But there's another little sound here, sweet little sound. There it is. Didn't show you the dig because the rain, but it looks like another penny there. And we're not very far from the front steps, even though there's a ramp in there now, but years ago it would have been steps, I'd say. Anyway, that's a good little find. That's 4 pennies and a sixpence for this little hunt so far, and it's raining. Won't worry the Garrett though, might worry my camera. Another one I found here. I don't know whether we're recording. I think we might be. Yeah, I just turned that over. I didn't listen to the noise, but what have we got here? Oh, it's a silver. What is this one? Right next to the old bell tower. There she is. Hey? Magic. Look, not very deep either. 1885 shilling. Ripper. Magic. So here's all the sum total of what I found at the old church at Nana Glen today. We've got a 1907 penny. I've got a 1921 penny. 1920 I should say, and a 1921 also. And we've got a 1927 penny. 1943 penny, 1956 threepence, and the find of the day is a 1885 shilling. Not used to saying 1800s. Isn't that a little beauty? I'll just flip it over and show you the other side of it. There she is, the little girl. She's a ripper, isn't she? Right, that was my best shoeing to date, and best silver actually. I've never got another silver in the 1800s. I've got a couple of pennies around 1858 and 1885, 1889, but nothing like that magic little silver girl found underneath the bell tower at the church. Down about 3 inches. Amazing how shallow it was. But She's a beauty. Favourite beauty.